Welcome back to Biology by Shravanti. Today we are going to learn about the biomolecules. So under that, today we are going to discuss about the introduction part. Before going to topic, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let us start the topic. So before going into the term biomolecules, let us recall some of the topics generally about, discuss about the some of the like cell. So the cell is called as a basic structural and functional unit. That means complete human body or any living organism is made up of the cell, and without cell complete mechanism is not taking place. So there is a must, that means all the living organisms are made up of the cells. That's why cell is called as a basic structural and functional unit, and all the living organisms are based upon this cell. These are classified into two types like unicellular and multicellular. So unicellular is nothing but which is made up of with a single cell, and coming for the multicellular, these are made up of many cells. That means one single cell, it is made up of group of cells मिलके it forms the टिश्यू. अ ग्रुप ऑफ टिश्यू मिलके ऑर्गन होता है, और ऑर्गन से ऑर्गन सिस्टम, एंड ऑर्गन सिस्टम से कंप्लीट ह्यूमन बॉडी. दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर, एंड फॉर फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द ह्यूमन बॉडी ऑल दिस ऑर्गन सिस्टम और टिश्यू सेल ऑर्गन सिस्टम, they have to do particular function. Each and organ system has different types of function, and complete human body is alive because of the cell. That means cell gives a particular shape for the body. That means it is a structural unit, and each and every cell works for the structure. That means each and every cell means it works as a functional unit. That's why the cell is gave the term structural and functional unit. So based upon this only, all the living organisms are classified into unicellular and multicellular. Coming for the unicellular, it is nothing but which is made up of with a single cell, that is example bacteria and yeast. And मल्टीसेलर लाइक ऑल द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म, अ ग्रुप ऑफ ऑर्गन सिस्टम कहाँ पे डेवलप होता है, लाइक एनिमल्स में, नहीं तो प्लांट्स में. सो ऑल दीज आर कम्स अंडर द मल्टीसेलर. सो for all these organisms, they or to form a cell, they need or they are made up of or they contain many chemical molecules. So that chemical molecules are called as the biomolecules. Okay, the term biomolecule is also referred to as a biological molecule. That means all the carbon containing organic compounds are called as simple. Bio means it is related to biology, and bio, that is nothing but living organism, and molecules that are a combination of the chemicals. So chemistry, biochemistry we learn under this topic. Okay, so the polymers containing the high molecular weights like hydrogen or carbon molecules along with oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen and phosphorus. So all these are the some of the chemicals analysis which are must in or most commonly used elements in all the living organisms. So based upon these have three types of macromolecules, like these are made up of with the subunits. That means two types like monomers and polymers. So monomers are nothing but these are the single block unit or single subunits. Coming for the polymers, so polymers is nothing but the long chain, that means which are made up of a lipid repeating molecules of the monomers. So these are called as the polymers. So okay, polymers and monomers. So polymers are made up of or that are subunits of the monomers. Monomer is nothing but a single subunit, like a chain. If you consider a chain, complete chain have a beads. Okay, that complete chain is called as a polymer, and each bead which is present in the chain is called as the monomer. Okay, so this is about the polymers and monomers. So coming for the polymers, these are of mainly three types: polysaccharides like carbohydrates, polypeptides like proteins, and polynucleotides like nucleic acids, and these are the monosaccharide of polymers. Okay, and some of the amino acids and some of the nucleotides are also present in the polymers. So like another one branch like lipids are also present. That means these biomolecules are completely made up of with the four like lipids, protein, carbohydrates and nucleic acids. So all this we are going to learn in this particular lesson. So let us see the classification of the biomolecule. So these biomolecules are classified into two types like organic and inorganic. Coming for the organic, these are further divided into macromolecules and micromolecules. So macromolecules are further divided into polysaccharides, polypeptides and polynucleotides. Micromolecules are further divided into lipids and secondary metabolites. So lipids are nothing but the fatty acids and glycerols. Fatty acids are further divided into saturated fatty acids, unsaturated fatty acids. And coming for the secondary metabolites like alkaloids, phenolic, tetraploids, essential oils, toxins and lectins. Next, coming for the inorganics. So biomolecules are also included the inorganic molecules like primary elements, macro elements, trace elements. So coming for the primary elements, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, which are present in the air, these are considered as the primary necessary elements. And coming for the macro elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium and sulfur. So these are the macro elements. And trace elements are like boron, chlorine, zinc, copper, iron, sodium, molybdenum, nickel and silicon and cobalt. So these are the trace elements. So in this lesson we'll discuss about all these clearly in the next part of the topic or next part of the video. Thank you for this session. If you like, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.